Okay, so I am in like a huge rush to get ready to go to my appointment today. And I have to leave like right now. I haven't even drank my tea. And I look like a mess. But we're gonna do this because I'm the queen of being late, I guess, which never used to happen. I'm also using my makeup bag as a tripod right now because I'm literally rushing. I want to go and get Christmas cookies so that I can make them this weekend. Pillsbury came out with the Christmas sugar cookie cookies for Christmas, and they have little elf hats on them. I'm not using my makeup bag as a tripod. I'm using my headphones as a tripod. Wow. I want to go get Christmas stuff today because I'm in the mood. I want to go to the dollar store. I want to go to Dollar Tree. I want to kind of like see what I can find. And I also want to get Christmas cookies and stuff like that. But there's a Sobeys across the street or across the plaza, I guess. So I'm gonna do that. And I will take you guys with me on my little Christmas journey today. I'm sporting the Tim Biebs hat because that's what was in my bag, and my hair looks horrible. So yeah, we got this. It's gonna be a fun day. So I kind of took the wrong turn. So now I'm gonna be more late. I'm not gonna lie, I really can't even remember what I came in here for. Aside from anything that looks Christmassy, that I can't really find anything that I want. I got cookies already so far, but not like the cookies that we're baking. They have a sale on Oreos, so of course I'm gonna get Oreos. Why would I not be? They also have a sale on the big chocolate bars. No, I'm not gonna do that today. So I have to look for what I was actually looking for, which is hot chocolate. Sobeys confuses the absolute shit out of me because I can never find anything in a Sobeys. Beverages, juice. Ooh, it should be here. Okay, so far I have found literally everything I want except for the sugar cookies, which it seems that they're just sold out of. So I don't know where I'm gonna go for those. Okay, so I went to Dollarama, didn't really find anything. I got my wax done, and I went to Sobeys. I obviously forgot my gift card in my other wallet, so that was annoying, but I did get the stuff that I wanted. So I got the cookies, I got hot chocolate, I got whipped cream. I honestly think that was it. And then I did put the Oreos back because then I realized that I should probably not be getting another 2 boxes of Oreos. But they didn't have any of the sugar cookies, which was the whole reason that I wanted to try those because I haven't. So I'm going to find the cookies somewhere. I don't know where. And I'm gonna try to find a Dollar Tree because I really want to go to a Dollar Tree today. I finally found them, and I'm still getting my Oreos now. Okay, taste test, go. Oh, that's perfection. Oh my god, this is the first time I've seen you happy with a drink. My drink, yay. Wow. Go on. No. Tell me what you just said. Hi, Louis. Oh. Boop. A boop for everyone. goodest boy. The goodest boy. The goods. There's no baby.
You said there were more.
You ready?
Elf.
Clink. Don't eat them raw. We are going to squish the... Ow! I hate you. We're gonna squish these into the cookies like that. Oh no, it's stuck.
It's.
Shall you help me?
Yes. Squeeze.
Oh, they're all gonna stick. Stop sticking them together.
They're going under. It's okay.
Stop doing that. You're making them.
Squish them.
What is your opinion, Lewis? Boop. Lem. Wow. Look at that mixing skill. Okay. Alright, work. You just...
I powdered.
Intense. Oh my god, I have a 0.7 lens. Bird's eye view. It is Tuesday. I'm off today, which is nice. I'm going to take today to finally go to the gym. Shout out to Simon for that. I thought I would include this because I was downstairs and I found these little packs of stickers. No idea why they're there, but I texted my mom and I was like, hey, can I have them? And she was like, sure. I love stickers. These came with like some phone cases or something, but like I really want to open them and I want them. Like there's this little corgi shark and I'm just kind of obsessed. So we're gonna open them together. Oh my god, there's so many more than I thought. Oh, okay. So there's the little corgi shark. And then there's this cute little rain cloud. And it says smile even when it rains. This one is just a little drink. Oh, is this supposed to look like a cereal logo or something? That's really cool. It's a little astronaut. It says Planet Loops. Free toy inside. Look who wanted to come say hi. Or eat my food. Hi. It says to the moon. So that's super cute. There's another astronaut corgi. I'm literally going to put these anywhere, everywhere. I need to find out where these came from. This is one of my favorites. This is proud of me. Little heart. And then there's a cupcake. Hi, cupcake. So those are all the stickers. Goodbye to the camera. Goodbye. Simon's explaining exercises to me. Go on.
Subscribe twitch.tv/Fox.
Whoa, I have to censor that. I have to censor that. Hello, it is Friday. Do you know what that means? Exactly, it's Black Friday. I work retail, so today's gonna be freaking crazy. Hi-oh. We're going shopping, technically, kind of. I mean, what do we do together other than shop and take pictures? I feel like that's literally
Drive.
well, yeah, but that's like. Hi. Me and my little pigtails say hello. You have two? I didn't know that.
And I want you to know
My doubts about his real life. Me walking barefoot in the San Diego snow. I wanna make you.
This is exactly what I was not coming for. Wow. Were you successful? I would say I was, considering the size of this bag. Erin took me to a shoe store knowing damn well she shouldn't have took me to a shoe store. And now, I can't stop wanting to buy shoes. Erin has found DC shoes that have never represented a better shoe and colorway for her. And she's feeling nostalgic.
What a shoe, what a time. What a trip down memory lane.
I got these super cute little mini Ugg dupes, which are so comfy.